nakasalalay po ang buhay ninyo sa maintenance. Paano na po ang ibang pangangailangan nyo kung wala na kayo? Hanapin lang ang abot kaya at dekalidad na gamot at tutulungan kayo ng inyong kaibigan sa kalusugan.
Maybe he's too sleepy. Bye. Forget that. Thanks for saving me. How is your revenge plan? He is too strong. I cannot handle him. Do you want me to help you? Hey, that's pretty good. I'm not a champ. What's your plan? Make him suffer by taking everything from him.